Did your clothes come out not fully dry at the end of the cycle? Let's go through a few things you can check. 1. Check the temperature setting. Wash Me machines offer different heat options: delicate, normal, and high. It's important to choose the right setting for your load. Delicate cycle uses low heat and is designed for lighter or delicate items. It is not recommended for heavy loads such as duvets or towels. Normal or high heat, best for larger loads and heavier items. It is recommended for items such as duvets or towels. You can usually select the temperature during payment. If this option is not available, you should choose the temperature directly on the machine. 2. Check the drying time. Dryers typically offer time increments starting from 15 minutes. Make sure you select enough time based on your load size. Small loads may need around 30 minutes. Larger or heavier loads usually require at least 45 minutes. 15 minutes is generally recommended as a top-up time. If your clothes feel warm but are still damp, this usually means they need additional drying time. 3. Avoid opening the dryer during the cycle. Opening the dryer door mid-cycle can reduce the internal temperature and affect performance, leading to longer drying times. 4. Check the machine display for any error codes. Please note it and contact customer care with the details so we can assist you.